Hi there, this is Eric, and this week's project was the property recommendation system. The problem was to build a comparable property recommendation system with explainable AI. The goal of this project was to create a machine learning system that recommends the top three comparable properties for a given subject property. It simulated how real estate appraisers choose comps to estimate property values. The system also provided explanations for each recommendation system to enhance transparency and trust. For the dataset, there was a lot of pre-processing to do. We converted the GLA strings and values into int and nulls. We unified the address and removed the redundant fields like city, province, and postal code. We standardized the date format to that and deduplicated 381 properties. Each appraisal was flattened into multiple subject comp pairs with a binary label. It included both actual comps and other candidate properties to train a binary classifier. This resulted in a dataset where only about 2.7% of pairs are true comps, a pretty highly imbalanced classification problem. Thus, we also removed leaky features like ID address and image URLs to prevent overfitting. We handled missing data and categorically filled with missing and filled with numerical values. We use standard scalar for numeric and one hot encoder for categorical columns. We trained on a XGBoost classifier to predict if the candidate is a valid comp, and the achieved accuracy for the cross validation and XGBoost was both 1.0, which was a red flag for data leakage. Through utilizing SHAP on a sample of 100 predictions, we can see that it highlighted the GLA and date values as the most important features to the model. We can see that data leakage can easily creep in through correlated or semantically rich features like address or image metadata. Explainability tools like SHAP help surface these hidden patterns, and building an interpretable system is just as important as building an accurate one, especially in high stakes domain like real estate, of course. In future work, we can perhaps introduce pairwise ranking or triplet loss instead of classification. We can also incorporate temporal decay so that recent sales matter more. We can also add NLP to summarize the SHAP output in plain English. Here's a demo of our property comp recommender. We can see that it gives the 88 subject appraisals and lists their GLA and thus for this particular subject property, we got three most comparable properties given based on their similarity in terms of size, number of bedrooms, style, location, making them the most comparable to the subject property. So that was the property recommendation system for this week. Thank you for watching.